And we've got a property expert, Usher Perera, is coming to the studio to tell you what you need to know before you buy a property. And last week, this news come out, right? Because I think especially Commonwealth Bank, they're tightening their lending criteria. I'm not sure whether all other major banks follow the Commonwealth Bank or not. So the banks tightening their lending criteria, what's the impact on that real estate market? Would that real estate prices going to go up or going to go down, or what's the impact on that?
See, it might hold on for a little bit, but certainly there's been an increase in the interest rates. Even though the RBA interest rates has been going down, the banks has been tightening screws a little bit. There's certainly an influx of investors who's actually buying properties in the southeastern corridor as well as all around Melbourne. So, but we have gone through a GFC, like global financial crisis. Even during that time, Australia survived, and majority of the markets such as US and UK and rest of the world actually crashed their property markets. But Australia held on to it because we have a lot of migration, like a big migration policy, like the 2060 plan, which is they want to expand the population to 40 million. So that would be from internal births as well as from a lot from migration as well. So certainly current population of 23 million to 40 million means there's a 17 million population growth. So currently in Melbourne, like in Victoria, we only have about between 5.5 to about 6 million people living here. So which means 3 times of Melbourne. So which needs to be another 3 more cities, basically. So that's not going to be coming up in the desert of Australia. So it would be within Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane and Adelaide and all the major cities. So which means it will be, there's a growth market. So you can't expect, it might tighten and then it might slow down a bit. The growth, they're probably trying to slow down, the massive, because sometimes some of these suburbs have been growing so fast where the property prices have doubled within a couple of years. Right? And if you look at Cranbourne, I was actually having a chat with one of my friend's uncles, and he was mentioning he bought his property up in Cranbourne in 1996 for 95,000. That is a brand new property for 900 square meter block. And today the same property, the 900 square meter, I mean, if the house has no value, the property itself would be worth about $500,000, 400 to about half, because since of the size of the block, because now the blocks are becoming smaller and the house and everything, construction prices are going so high. Because of that, they're trying to keep a track of things. So maybe it will still grow, but it would be to a certain, they might want to cap the growth capacity. Yes.
Okay, yeah, so as you guys heard, so the Melbourne, especially about metro suburbs of Melbourne, right? If you can buy metro suburb of Melbourne, so you're not going to get wrong, right? So the property prices are going to go up. You might have slightly bit of a spike going down at a time, but the property trend is on the way up. Right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Watch more videos. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment. I hope to see you in another video. My name is Usher Perera. Subscribe to the Diyunuwa channel and this playlist. Thank you.